Unit 15, Long A Patterns in Accented Syllables. Let's review open and closed syllables and inflectional endings. Let's look at this list of words. I'd like for you to think about the base word for each word, and think about if the word spelling changed. What's the base word to admitting? The base word for admitting is admit, A-D-M-I-T. Did it have a spelling change? Yes, it did. It doubled the T. How about arguing? The base word for arguing is argue. Was there a spelling change? Yes, it dropped that E and added ing. How about appeared? The base word for appeared is appear. Was there a change in the spelling? No. How about existing? The base word for existing is exist. Was there a change in this spelling? No, you're correct. And the last one, repeated. The base word for repeated is repeat. Was there a change in this spelling? No. Good job. Now we're going to look at long A patterns in accented syllables. Let's first look at the word painter. This word contains a vowel digraph in the first syllable. The first syllable is the accented syllable. Listen as I say the word. Painter. The vowel digraph is AI. Stands for the long A sound. Let's look at the word contain. This word also has a long A digraph, but the digraph is in the second syllable. Listen as I say the word, contain. The syllable with the long A sound is in the accented syllable. This word, fable, also has a long A sound, but it's spelled with just A. Painter, contain, and fable all contain a long A sound, but the long sound is spelled in different ways. In all of these words, the syllable with the long A is the accented syllable. Let's read these words together. Awake. Where is the long A sound? Now look at the word crayon. The long A sound is spelled A-Y. Think about those two spelling patterns. In awake, we have A, which is a vowel, consonant, and then we have our silent E, which makes that a long A sound. In crayon, we have our Y that helps make the A, the long A sound. Now, look at these two words, bracelet and lazy. I'd like for you to turn to a partner, read these words to your partner, listening for the long A sound. Where do you think the accented syllable is? Tell your neighbor what letters make the long A sound in each word. Let's refer to our Unit 15 poster. Long A vowel patterns in accented syllables. Let's read through the long A patterns that are spelled AI, like complaint, AY, like crayon, with an A consonant silent E, like in baseball, and an open A, like the word April. Notice that the accented syllable is with the long A digraph. If you're unsure which syllable is accented, place the top of your hand gently under your chin. When you say a word, you will feel your chin slightly drop down on the accented syllable. You can also look in a dictionary. When I'm sorting words, I think about where I hear the long A vowel sound and what letter or letters stand for the long A. I also need to think about where I hear the accented syllable. In the word navy, I hear the long A at the end of the first syllable, so I know this is an open A vowel pattern. Since I hear the long A in the first syllable, I know that the first syllable is the accented syllable. I'll sort navy in the open A category. Now help me with the word complain. Where do you hear the long A sound? What letters make the long A sound? That's right, AI. It's in the last syllable, complain. So the last syllable is our accented syllable, and we will move it to the AI category. Read this word with me, escape. Where do you hear the long A sound? What long A spelling is it? A with the silent E. So we're going to put it in our A consonant silent E category. The word player has the AY spelling. So we're going to put it in our AY category.